Good morning students of grade 1. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher and we are doing Exceed Mathematics of grade 1. And in today's class we will learn before, between and after. Before, between and after. What is the before, between? First of all we will learn between. Between means in mid of two numbers. And if we will find out the before of 24, what number will come before of 24? Yes, 23 number will come before 24. And this one is before between. And what number will come after 24? Yes, 25 number will come after 24. After 24. So, this one is 24 is our between number. This one is before 23 and after of 24. After of 24 is 25. After of 24 is 25. Okay students? And if we find out the before number of 25, what number will come before 25? Yes, 24 number will come. 24 number will come before 25. And what number will come after 25? Yes, 26 number will come after 25. That means 25 is our between number. 24 is our before number. And 26 is our after number. So these numbers are called before, between and after. Before, between and after. And in today's class and in today's work we also solve this. Okay, so let's start. From block 14 we will solve our classwork in content book. Our classwork is content book and our homework we will solve in our student workbook. Okay students, so lesson 1 is before, between and after. Today we will solve lesson 1 and lesson 2 on page number 35 of our content book volume 2. So let's start lesson 1. In this question number 1 we will solve in our book. Okay, question number 1 is fill in the blanks with numbers that are before, after and between. Before, after and between. We have to find out the numbers. Okay. Now question A. 19. We have fill. We have to fill. This one is between. This one is between. What number will come before 19? What number will come before 19? Yes, the number 18 will come before 19. Okay, and after 19 what number will come? Yes, 20 number will come after 19. Now come on B. Okay, this one is 13 and this number is in between. In between. So, what number will come before 13? Yes, 12 number will come before 13. And what number will come after 13? What number will come after 13? Yes, after 13 the number will come 14. What number will come? 14. So, 12 number is before, between and after. 14 is after. Now come on C. We have here 15 and we have to find out this number. and 17 we have. What number will come between 15 and 17? What number will come between 15 and 17? Yes, what number will come? 16. What number will come? 16. And we can find out also after 15 what number will come? After 15 what number will come? 16. Yes. Now come on question number 2 and 3. These two questions we will solve in our notebook. Okay, so take out your notebook. Yes, take out your notebook. Lesson 1 we are doing of block 14. Okay, and question number 1 we already completed in our content book. Now come on question number 2. Write the numbers that come before and after. Before and after. Okay, so we will write here before, between and after. Question A, 33 number we have, and in this we have to find out before and after. That means this number is between number. This number is between number. Okay, 33 is our between number. And what number will come before 33? What number will come before 33? Yes, 32 number will come before 33. Okay, and what number will come after 33? What number will come after 33? Yes, after 33 the number will come 34. The number will come 34. Okay, now come on B. B is our between number. B is our between number. And what number will come before 28? Yes, 27. 27 number will come before 28. And after 28, what number will come? Yes, 29. 29. Now come on C. Now come on C. And between number is our 46. 46. Okay. And what number will come before 46? Yes. 45 number will come before 46. And what number will come after 46? Yes, 47. Do with me, students? Okay. Now come on question number 3. What is the question number 3? I am before 31. I am before 31. I am between 29 and 31. I am after 29. Who am I? Let's find out. Okay, first of all we will write before, between and after. Before, between and after. Let's see. Before 31. That means before 31. What we will write? And between 29 and 31. Between 29 and 31. That means this number, between number we have to find out. Okay. And 29 we have here before. And after we have yes, 31. What number will come between 29 and 31? Yes, the number 30 will come between 29 and 31. Let's see. I am between 29 and 31. Okay, and what number will come between? Yes, 30 number will come. Okay, students. I hope you all understand. Bye-bye.